Okay, so alignment between HR strategy and organizational priorities is essential for effective public administration. Human resource systems must support agency missions, no, sectoral objectives, and national development plans to ensure coherent and efficient governance. When human resource strategies are misaligned, agencies experience skills mismatch, no, inefficiencies, and poor service outcomes. For instance, no, implementing digital government initiatives without adequately trained personnel leads to underutilized systems and wasted resources. So, and this topic emphasizes the role of HR managers in translating government priorities into concrete workforce plans and HR intervention. So, this topic demonstrates that alignment begins with a clear understanding of organizational mandates and government priorities. HR strategies must be informed by agency strategic plans and national policy direction. One example, of course, was workforce planning in health agencies aligned with universal health coverage goals, ensuring sufficient medical personnel in priority areas. This emphasizes also that recruitment strategies must reflect organizational needs. No agencies supporting digital governance prioritize hiring IT professionals and data specialists. So training and development programs were shown to be critical alignment tools. Capacity building initiative ensures that employees possesses the skills required to implement priority programs effectively. So a key insight was the importance of coordination between HR, units, and top management because strategic alignment requires HR to participate in planning, budgeting, and performance management processes. So it also addressed challenges such as rigid civil service rules and fragmented planning systems, which can hinder alignment. Despite these challenges, no, it needs also to discuss the opportunities for innovation within existing frameworks, such as competency-based planning. So again, aligned human resource strategy ensures coherence between people, policy, and performance, enabling public institutions to deliver results and maintain public trust. Okay?